lot of dining space. Walls all decorated. Angry Chickz. And there's your menu right there. Simple. Choose your spice level. Combo 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 different bowls to choose from. Alright, so this morning we're here at Angry Chickz. They just barely opened. And as you walk in, you see all these colorful wallpapers of Angry Chickz. They have here the Angry Heat level. Waiver signature required if you're going to go choose the Angry level. Also on Yelp, you can also leave them a comment or review. Order online as well. They have some high tables, high chairs over here. Bunch of seatings. Feed hangry. All right, so this one is the Angry Mac. It's loaded with cheese. What else? Got the secret sauce in there. 2 tenders, some slaw, mac and cheese. I got the perfect heat, so the medium level. There's some of their secret sauce there. And this one is the combo number 4 with 2 tenders, rice, coleslaw, and pickles. Let's get ready to eat. I'm about to take a first dip into the Angry Mac. Gotta get the chicken there, also with the mac. Oh man. It's perfect. Definitely gotta come try it. Located here in Stockton, California. Angry Mac. I've been eating for about a good 5 minutes now. And as you can tell, there's still a lot of food left. There's like the fries, the chicken, the mac. There's a lot of food. I barely even scratched it. It's still got a lot to work with. So definitely worth it, definitely. Alright, so it's my first time here at Angry Chickz. I gotta say, it's definitely worth it. If you like chicken tenders, mac and cheese, coleslaw, whatnot. Definitely you're in the area. Definitely come take a look at it, give it a try. It's located right here in south side of Stockton, off of Wilson and Oak Way. Just look it up on Google. You'll find it. It's definitely worth stopping by if you're in the area, or if you just want to like chicken tenders, come and have a try. Until next time.